We're at 528 East 9th Ave. Today is May 20th. This is an interior inspection. We're able to get this opened up, flow into the house trap. I'm going to pull back from here. It's a greasy line, hard to get a good video. We will show you the sewer is unclogged. It's from the toilet access in the downstairs basement bathroom.